When you hear that ODNI has started an initiative to get to the bottom of things and a very broad kind of objectives of finding out the truth about UFOs, gathering it all up and doing something with it, are you encouraged? That sounds like, I know how we reacted. Great, good, let's get to it.
But did we? So we acted that way, but was that what we were thinking?
Well, I had learned from others who had gone that people who went to Liberty Crossing and brought their phone with them came out of their meeting and found that their phone had been hacked. There is no organized help for UAP whistleblowers, whether that be from Congress or from private initiatives. We are quite frankly being picked off to be either exploited for financial or technical gain, or to be removed from being agents of influence for the cause of disclosure. Maybe next time when we're talking, we can talk about some of the people who I found out were lying by coordinating my report.
Who was lying? Say their names, or don't.
I don't want to say that here.
Okay.
I don't know how people are out there living a life, especially a life, where they support a family after being a whistleblower. The UAP whistleblower program by ODNI was never offered to me. I was never briefed on it.
The other thing that was told to me was that Matthew Brown admitted to completely making up and fabricating that he saw an Immaculate Constellation document, and that he admitted to me that Matthew Brown made that up. He came up with the name. And the third big lie that was told to me: counter-espionage and treason.
We are done taking punches and not punching back.
Name redacted.
Is responsible.
Has been responsible for a lot of what you're talking about current day.
Current day as it relates to the UAP problem, he is a nexus point for legacy security. He's part of the dirty tricks department.
Are you doing this for personal gain? Tell me.
No. Why not? Because this is our home. And if we do not defend it, who will?
We live here.
Exactly.
Planet Earth or America?
America. I'm not sure Earth is our home anymore. And then the result is an ecosystem flooded with disinformation and psychological operations and targeted attacks against whistleblowers and their allies.
How do you know?
So I cannot reveal everything about this.